Hey guys, how are you? So, you know, as a YouTuber, every day you are learning new things. You are trying to improve the quality of the videos, the quality of the audio, the quality of the picture or the video itself, and the content. So you don't need to stuck in one place and figure out that, okay, this is the end, I'm just making the video. So sometimes it's expensive to prepare, but when you start a YouTube, you don't need to have so many equipment. But with time, the more you put your time in, you find out, let me improve this, let me improve this, let me improve this one. So today I want to do a show a little bit to open up, revealing some of the equipment I've just purchased, which are going to help me with my YouTube. And helping with my YouTube means that I'm going to provide more quality videos and more good content, which will be able to be good for you. And I'm going to recommend some of the equipment. If you like them, they'll be better for you. So those are some of the things. So I'm starting with there is this box. So I'm going to do the unboxing of this one to see what are the equipment or what are the things which I've been able to purchase. There are some for cooking. There are some of the video I'm planning to do, which they made me to buy some of the items. Okay, so this is one of the items I'm going to open. Another one is there. So there are so many items. There are some will be these are for barbecue, making barbecue. So asking me, why do I have this for barbecues? So I'm going to make some videos, cooking videos, also for my Swahili channel, and I wanted to do some other interviews coming up. I'll be interviewing a guest while we'll be cooking. So for that particular case, I have to prepare more things for cooking. So that is something which I'm going to show. And also I'll be making some of the planting. So I've purchased some of these are the seeds for amaranth, which will be used for making videos with my kids on cooking. So these are for barbecue ash kebab. So I'll be able to show when I'm making when the time comes and I'm making those videos. So let me open this one. So this item, why am I purchasing this item? I saw is a very good equipment. It's something you can use for your phone, tablet, something like that. You can use it while for instance, if you are cooking, if you are on the table, you are doing something, you can be able to use this one. So I'm planning to use this one because when I'm recording my videos at the same time, I usually record my podcast. So this will be the easy way of, it doesn't have everything, but I have to put, so I think I have to look the instruction, but I know you have to put inside like this one, and it can go up. So like this way, and let me show you, let's be very, so then I can be able to put my phone, you see, like this way, perfect. So this is the reason. So the reason I'm doing this one, when I'm going live, yes, I have some of these already. Some of these one I have, yes, I understand, but I want to find also some of the convenient things which I can be able to use. So this one is not a tripod, so this one is having a base, something I can put like this way. So this one I can be able to be cooking, recording using this one, and I can use the camera on the other side. But I want also to plug this one when I'm doing my podcast. It's becoming easy, so the audio can come perfect in that particular way. So this is the reason, so I have to put this one on that particular thing. So that is the purpose of this one. The link for this one I'll be able to put on the description. It is very cheap. It is less than $20 if not mistaken. I have to remember how much I paid, but I know it is just normal price. but it has, so you can use this one instead of having a normal tripod for those who are using the camera to record, but also can use this one while you are cooking, just you are listening to music, you are watching a movie. So it has all those kind of multiple purpose. Another product which I have, let me open, is this one. So it's a new Lapel microphone. It is 18 feet. Nowadays, I purchased a new equipment and also the lens, which makes my camera to be very, very far away. I have to be at least 6 to 8 feet away from my camera, differently from the previous time where I had to put it very close. So if it is that far away, in order to create this blurry background which you can see here, it has to be that far. And so my headphone, my microphone now, it is supposed to be on top of the camera, which is very far away. So I have this type of microphone, but this microphone, the one I have is not that long. So I had to purchase the one which is a very, very long. You can see it has 18 feet away. So advantage of this one, it has 2 split. I can wear one and my guest can wear another one. And again, the price of everything of this one is also very, very cheap. It's affordable. It was like $25 if not mistaken. So you see it's very, very long in that particular sense. So that is the microphone which I purchased. Another product which I want to share with you. So let me open quickly and you can be able to see and explain to you why do I recommend for you to make sure that you also have something of this nature. I don't know why they put this so tight. So there are so many things I purchased just to make it easier. This one is for cooking, is a sharpener, is enough sharpener, which, as I said, I will be making some videos specific for cooking. So I want to have a very, very sharp knife to show you what I'll be doing. So when you want to demonstrate something in a serious way, whether it'll be cooking, you must make sure that you have the equipment. So even just like you say, a proper knife, that is something good. So another product which I'm going to open is this one, and I'm going to explain to you what is that and why did I buy it and what is the overall purpose of these products. As I said, I will be making the cooking videos. So the best of all cooking videos is to make sure that you are presenting things in a very clean way, very sharp, slicing anything you want. So this is just a chopper. Is a chopper. You can chop some food. You can chop some onions. You can chop some few things which you wanted to chop, just like how you can be able to see on the picture. So that is the purpose of this one. And then, so I have to get the proper things yeah. Okay, the other things are these one. You can ask, why do I need to buy more and more? So this one is another microphone. It's just like the one I have, but there is a difference. This microphone I have, the one which I have, which is there, it must be plugged on the camera, on top of the camera right away. But that, I cannot be able to put it away. So this one, they sell you this one, which is about like $25, and they give you a special cord, which is was like 10 feet cord, so I can put my microphone closer to me, and then they give you a special free tripod which you can be able to use to put your microphone here. So that is something else you can be able to use. And again, the microphone which I have, that one, is difficult to put in the setting in the computers, so they have the plug you can use to add in every way. Why am I obsessed about the microphones? Why am I obsessed about the videos? Because 90% of people who are watching videos using headphones. They are using their tablets, they are using their phone, so they end up wearing the headphone. So once you have a very good, high quality audio, it makes someone continue watching your content. That is the reason why I'm advancing, getting different types of microphone, getting different types of audio equipment, which will be able to help me to upload those kind of things. Another box is this one, which has other products, and I'm going to show you what I purchased, and what is the purpose of these purchase. On this one is a little bit, I can say a little bit expensive, a little bit. Number one, let me put it here. Number one is something, because I have different types of, what can I say, the lighting, but some of the lighting, they are directly sharp. I wanted to make a little bit calm, soft light. So I purchased, I don't know if you can be able to see this picture, is something just to cover in the front, like in the box. That means to lower down the intensity of the, can you be able to see? So this one, I can open it and you take it out, and then you cover the light. That means the light is not that sharp. Even if you can be looking direct to the light, it can come to your face, and it's not that sharp. It doesn't affect your ear, your eyes, and it doesn't affect anything for you. Another thing, as I've been saying, I'm going to start making the videos because we are going for summer. So summertime is time for cooking, especially here we are doing a lot of barbecue, is outdoor cooking. So for that particular case, this is another chopper, which I'm using. Also, I'm going to use it for chopping most of my veggies when I'm creating the content. So because I'm creating the content, I have to prepare something which is very, very good. And this one is something else. Is just the external hard drive, because I have the memory card. The current memory card which I have two memory cards of 250 GB. I have two of 500 GB each one. But the problem is sometimes you make more videos, you feel it always becomes slow. So I want to make sure that I create all the videos I'm creating right now, especially of this high quality. I don't need to, before I edit or I do anything, I want to be uploading or just transferring them to put on my external hard drive, just in case in the future I have to edit something or have to reuse for different purposes. So this is external hard drive of 4 whatever you call, what do you call those? One is 1000 GBs, 1 TB, whatever, those kind of terabytes. So it is, this one is 4 TB, whatever, terabytes, whatever you call them. So that is something. And then this is the, I also purchased the, this is a big printer. From the big one, is called Brother. It can print over 25 pages less than a minute. So why also I have a printer? Because nowadays I have to do, I've been using so much energy. I have to read certain information. Sometimes if I have to refer, either I have to put on my phone, I have to screenshot, or have to write another paper down, something, then I have to, but now it will be easier for me. I can print certain documentation. So when I want to quote, I don't need to start like, okay, I have to remember every single word, like right now I'm using so much energy, but I can print out and tell you, okay, so now let me quote what they say on this particular page. If you're talking about scholarship, okay, what do they say at this? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can quote exactly without having stress or without using so much energy to remember every single thing. So that's why I decided to go to purchase the that one. And the last item is this one. You all know that I usually like to change the background. Now I have changed. Now I have different other background again. So I want to share with you. This is another background again. So usually here there are 3. Behind it there is the one which you remember, like the one when you come out, it's just like a door. You go out, wherever there is nice green. Then behind that there is the one which is the bookshelf. So now I purchased another one, which I'm going to show you another background. This background is also very, very good. So I'm going to change this one in another wall. That means I have more rooms, I have more areas where I can be able to make videos of different background. They are going to help me a lot in making the videos, and I don't need to worry about too much editing. So this one, because we are going for spring, we are going for summer, so let me show you how it will look like. So this will be the one which has it's just some plant and there is a bookshelf kind of that. So this is the new I will be able to use when the time comes. So I usually try to change, not to be stick into one particular background. So I'll be having one here, another one on the other side. That means I can make a video at any time I want to make a video with a different background without worrying, okay, let me use the green screen, let me go and do editing. So if I want to use this background, I already have it. So sometimes the green screen, it leaves some of the little bit of the green. I'm not expert in editing. So all those kind of things will be able to help me. There are a few other things I purchased, but not right now. For instance, like there is this light I will share with you. It's also very, very cheap. This one I can use in different ways. When I'm going live, you see, you can change the color. You see, it has different types of light. There is bright white. You can put the yellowish kind of that, or orangish. So there are different levels. So what I usually do, you can use this one when you go live like this way. You put that way. You can just go live if it is on YouTube, if it is on live stream of Facebook or Instagram. It gives you another type of light which is going to help that way. But the same way you can put on the computer, you can put it over there, and it helps a lot to make all these changes. And I'll put the link of this one below. So these are some of the equipment I usually do. I usually have some of these, like, so I have a lot of this one, so to put on my camera. Sometimes I use this one for my phone. So anything, I purchase these items to make my life easier when I do live stream. You don't need to have all these kind of things, but there are certain basics one which you need to have, will be able to help you. And also there is something I'm going to share with you, this one. So I also have the new the Mac, because I want to learn more about editing. So this is another equipment which I use a lot into. So you can just use this one when I go on live stream. You can put whatever you want, and then you can put the computer here. You can decide to do while you are standing. You can just decide to lower it down if you want, whatever you want in that particular sense. You can put different ways, like this way, whatever you want. So it's another equipment which sometimes when I was doing live stream using the computer, sometimes you have to your face is, you have to go down. But now I can put it, I can be at exactly whatever I want, so I can have a better just like a webcam. Or if I use the camera as a webcam, I use my phone as a webcam, everything will be able to capture me well. So those are the few things I want to share. Okay, let me do unboxing of these items just to be able to show you, especially for the young YouTubers or new YouTubers or any other YouTuber, and want to know what kind of equipment do you need to have. For instance, how much like this one I purchased this one for $15. Depending if you want to bigger size, you buy $20, $30, whatever, and you are going to do those one, and you're going to be able to use them. So thank you so much, and stay tuned for more videos from EBM Scholars.